Well, people, I thought I'd get one last video of this fan before it goes away. This is especially for my friend Breon Binkley, or Rustybearing45, as his fan will be going to him. This is at late 60s to early 70s Windsor, made by Lakewood, model C-122, a 12-inch box fan on the little pivot stand. I just thought I'd film this one last time, especially for him, because he'll be getting this fan. Yeah, he's been wanting this fan from me for quite some time. I told him I'd give it to him if I found a different 12-inch boxer. But I later found that earlier all-metal 60's Windsor, same model. So this one will be going to him. So I'll have one more look at this and we'll fire it up. As you can see, it's that kind of light aqua or baby blue color. It's got the solid blue speed sticker, and there's the Windsor logo. And this was also my first Lakewood mini boxer to have the little GE motor, and I've got that on that earlier Windsor I now have. So now we'll run this one last time. Here's high. And as always, O to the left spells off. Yeah, and after the last time I used this, one of the rubber feet on the stand disintegrated. But Breon's got another stand he can put on there that's in better condition. And plus, the stand's kind of shifted out of shape. So, this is my last video of this fan before it goes away. Thank you for watching.